So, this is my day off. Day one. First thing is weird foods I make out of nowhere. Example, this. These are the ingredients. Cookie dough. Frozen cookie dough bits. Reese's cups and Dutch cocoa cookies. So, you crumble the cookies, the Dutch cocoa cookies. You put the cookie dough in there. Then you put the Reese's cups in there, and then you put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Then you stir it up after the 2 minutes, and you get that concoction of greatness. So, do it right away, because microwave, loveliness. So, that is one of my favorite desserts to go ahead and make. That pretty much became my dinner, because, well, that right there, that's a bowl. So, that's a lot of fucking shit right there. So, I ate it all. So, okay, now another part of my evening, of my beautiful day off, is always getting some energy drink. I'm poor as fuck, but it's an energy drink. So, I work 3 hours tomorrow. Still my day off. I just work some overtime because overtime, lots of money. Fuck yes. So, get this shit. Pretty good. It's fruit bomb. Fruit bomb-tastic. Bomb-tastic. So, another big thing on my day off is cigarettes. You gotta smoke a cigarette on your freaking day off. So, smoke. So, let me go ahead and place you in the normal spot. Oh, it fell. Well, fuck my life. So, welcome to my day off. Still got probably about 2 more minutes to go ahead and show you more of my day fucking off. So I smoke cigarettes pretty much all the time. Eat my concoction of food. But peanut butter makes me thirsty. So, what do I drink? My energy drink. Pretty much my day off. You know what I need? Girlfriend. Sorry you had to watch this. See my fucking day off. This is my day off. So, if you like this video, go right ahead and subscribe. Right below. Subscribe. Go ahead. Like my video. If you don't, well, you don't subscribe or like, fuck you. I don't really care about you. Subscribe. Make sure to subscribe. So, have a great day. And you will see more of my days off. And I should be making a video tomorrow. If not, the next day. I pretty much just wing it. So have a great day. I was watching my day off.